Today I'm gonna show you how to use sleep mode in Pokemon Go++. So with sleep data enabled and your Pokemon Go++ connected to Pokemon Go, you can start using your Pokemon Go++ device to track your sleep. Pokemon Go++ must be paired with Pokemon Go but not actively connected for play with Pokemon Go to initiate a sleep session. So before you go to sleep, start a sleep session by holding down the main button on the Pokemon Go Plus until the indicator light flashes blue and you hear a lullaby play. So when you wake up, end your sleeping session by holding the main menu button on the Pokemon Go Plus Plus until the indicator light flashes multicolored lights. If the indicator light flashes red, these indicate that your sleep log was not recorded successfully or that your sleep session was shorter than 90 minutes. Lastly, log into Pokemon Go and reconnect your Pokemon Go++ to transfer your sleep data and collect rewards. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!